Hi, it's Peter here from the AJS Brisbane branch this morning, and we're speaking with Bill, and we're speaking about sawing toolkits. Bill, just could you please introduce us to the sawing toolkit?
Yeah, Pete, we've got a really excellent beginner's hobbyist saw kit introduction pack here for you. I'll just go through the components on the saw kit for you. So the essential items you'll need are a sawing peg. We've picked this peg so there's a very flat surface plus your V's in there, so access for piercing out hollow sections. A very good peg to start with for piercing out sheet metal and all the other components. And of course it wouldn't be a saw kit without a saw frame. So we have an adjustable saw frame here. The beauty of the adjustable saw frame is you can match it to any length of saw blade you happen to have. And a very nice handle in this one too, so nice and light as well.
And then speaking of saw blades, we've got a selection of saw blades as well, Bill?
Yes, we actually have a mix pack here for you. So you've got a range from quite a coarse blade up to very fine. So you can go from your metal reduction to the mid-range here is for most of your bench work. But we've also included quite a fine blade. So if you want to do some detail piercing and pattern work, you can also do that too. To help the sawing go a bit quicker and a bit easier, we've also included some Pro Cut lube. So this will lubricate the blade and make the cutting easier. Some of the metals are a little bit bitey, so this will make it a lot easier to cut. It'll also double up for lubricating your burrs and your drill bits, so you can get a nice, clean, accurate drill into your piece. Also have some marking out tools as well, so it's always good to mark out your work. We're marking out with a double-ended scribe. Scribes and dividers using metal on metal marking is actually more accurate than trying a pencil. Pencil has thickness, so it's a bit hard to get a definite line. So you've got a double-ended scribe here for marking out your patterns and your lines. And we also have a hardened tip divider as well. This is great for doing your arcs, your circles, and if you've already got an existing straight edge, you can track it parallel with that edge to get parallel lines. For example, if you're trying to find the center line of a ring you've already made, you can use the divider to do that as well. To get a straight edge, we've also included a 2-inch square in there as well. So that'll give you your 90 degrees on your surfaces. But also great for doing ring shanks, so you can square up your ends pre-soldering and it'll give you a more accurate seam on your solder.
Excellent, Bill. So that's a great starter's toolkit for people, for hobbyists?
Yeah, aimed at the hobbyist. It's a really good value pack for introduction to the sawing. If you're starting out your toolkit, that's probably one of the first ones you'd get.
Beautiful. So thank you so much for that, Bill. For more information on the kits, please just go to ajsonline.com/kits.